Something is coming. Something brilliant. Something you cannot miss. It is lifting spirits and inspiring humanity. And it is creating quite a stir. It has already begun to attract and captivate savvy people everywhere. A billion-dollar brand is about to take flight. Bill Farley is the ultimate entrepreneur and portrait of success. He has created billion-dollar brands and employed tens of thousands of people across the globe. From leading some of the world's most well-known companies, to Major League Baseball, to nutrition, to philanthropic giving, Bill Farley is an icon and a powerful force. And now, Bill is up to something big, something that is generating buzz and even creating a movement. It began with Deepak Chopra. Deepak, the world-famous author, speaker, empowerment authority, and possibly the most well-known doctor on earth, recently passed an ancient secret along to his friend Bill Farley. A key to health and well-being so compelling, Bill was moved to assemble a world-class team to help him introduce it to the world.
Hi, I'm Bill Farley. You will always remember where you are at this exact moment in time because you are hearing it for the first time. So listen closely. The vehicle I have created to share this key to health and well-being with the world is Zri. Zri is a Sanskrit word that means light, luster, splendor, good fortune, prosperity. Zri personifies the law of attraction. Zri brings health and a magnetic culture. Zri is breakthrough, next generation nutrition. Zri is financial freedom and abundant living. Zri is the embodiment of my vision, the wisdom of Deepak Chopra, and the wholehearted endorsement of the Chopra Center for Well-Being. Has opportunity ever knocked on your door? If so, did you seize the moment or did you shy away? Whether you answered the call and found great success or let it slip by and wound up kicking yourself, you can definitely appreciate why this announcement right now is so important. Opportunity is knocking as never before. This time, will you answer?